Hi, we are going to have an understanding of fundamentals of accounting. Just to start this study of these fundamental concepts of accounting, we are going to look into a simple case of Mr. Bob who started his laundry business. I would like you to read the case, also to understand the issues of the case and how we are going to solve it. So the story is that the story about Mr. Bob and his laundry shop. Bob started his laundry business. He invested $2,000 for the space rent, washing machine, air condition, renovation, and laundry supplies. In the first week of his business operation, he felt a sense of success. Customers were coming, and every day, the number of kilos of laundry served were increasing. He was so happy to share with his wife every end of the business day, and he felt so excited to start the next day. All sales were in cash, all stored in his cash register. All purchases of laundry supplies were paid in cash, while labor dues were paid on daily basis. He had no payables to worry. He decided that Saturday would be his weekly cut-off, but shop should be open every Sunday. He was so excited to see his cash then of Saturday and started to do the cash count. He was surprised to know that the cash on hand at the end of Saturday was only 350. He was confused on where the money went and he wanted an explanation. Bob tried to figure out, and he realized that he did not have an organized record for his business transactions. So he wanted to know if he earned money and why only 350 remained. If you are Mr. Bob, what is the first question that you're going to ask?